7 healthiest kinds of bread that you can buy. Dozens of varieties of bread line store shelves and fill cookbooks, though some are healthier than others. Certain types are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while others are made from refined grains and offer little in terms of nutrition. Naturally, you may wonder what kind of bread is healthiest. In this video, we will tell you about 7 healthiest types of bread. Number 1. Healthy gluten-free bread. Gluten-free breads are made without glutinous grains like wheat, rye, or barley. Many people wrongly assume that gluten-free breads are healthier than those that contain gluten. However, most gluten-free varieties are made from refined flour and hig and added sugars, as well as other unnecessary additives. The higher fiber and protein content in these products may help fill you up more than other breads while packing fewer calories. Number 2. 100% sprouted rye bread. Traditional rye bread is only made from rye flour, and does not contain any wheat flour, whereas most modern rye breads are made from a combination of the two. Rye loaves also typically have caraway seeds baked into them. Eat whole grain rye bread released significantly less insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar, than those who ate white wheat bread. Rye's ability to lower your body's insulin response is likely due to its high soluble fiber content. Number 3. Flax bread. Flax bread, which is made primarily from whole grain flours and flax seeds, is one of the healthiest breads you can eat. This is because flax seeds are highly nutritious and offer a number of health benefits. Particularly, they are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid found in plant foods. Number 4. Oat bread. Oat bread is typically made from a combination of oats, whole wheat flour, yeast, water, and salt. Since oats are highly nutritious and linked to a number of health benefits, oat bread can be a healthy choice. In particular, oats are high in fiber and beneficial nutrients, including magnesium, vitamin B1, iron, and zinc. The fiber in oats, known as beta-glucan, may help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and decrease high blood pressure. Number 5. 100% whole wheat. Whole grains keep the entire grain intact, including the germ, endosperm, and bran. The bran, which is the hard, outer layer, is high in fiber. The bran and germ also contain protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. While the endosperm is mostly starch. That's why whole grains, including whole wheat, are higher in fiber and considered more nutritious than refined grains, which have been processed to remove the bran and germ. Number 6. Sourdough. Sourdough is made through a fermentation process that relies on naturally occurring yeast and bacteria to make the bread rise. Fermentation helps reduce the number of phytates, also known as phytic acid, that bind to certain minerals and impair their absorption. One study found that sourdough fermentation helped decrease phytate content by over 50% compared to using conventional yeast. Number 7. Sprouted whole grain. Sprouted bread is made from whole grains that have started to sprout from exposure to heat and moisture. Sprouting has been shown to increase the amount and availability of certain nutrients. One study found that pita bread made with 50% sprouted wheat flour had over 3 times as much folate, a vitamin critical for converting food into energy, than pita made without sprouted wheat flour. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.